is Michaela Zetalia.
And my name is Zerlinda Rahmarni.
My student number is 4424135.
And my student number is 442413667.
Pemirsa, 5 pelajar SMA Negeri 70 Jakarta Selatan dikeluarkan dari sekolah akibat terlibat kasus perundungan. Sebelumnya kasus ini sempat berproses di Polres Jakarta Selatan. Kelima pelajar yang dikeluarkan karena kasus perundungan merupakan siswa senior SMA 70. Mereka diduga terlibat perundungan seorang siswa yang merupakan adik kelas. Kepala sekolah SMA Negeri 70 Sunario mengatakan sanksi terhadap kelima siswa tersebut sudah sesuai dengan aturan yang berlaku. Sebelumnya korban siswa berinisial ABF ditarik oleh kakak kelas dan menerima penganiayaan di sejumlah bagian tubuh oleh 4 orang pelaku. Tak hanya dipukuli pemirsa, para pelaku juga merampas sepatu dan telepon genggam korban.
What are you looking at? Why does your expression look sad?
I was reading the news about the bullying case at High School 70.
Oh, really? I don't know about the cast. It is new or old?
I saw the news. It seems this is not an old incident.
How many people are doing the bullying?
Oh my god, the 5 people involved in the bullying case. I think they are friends.
Seriously? I think they are friends, but why bully other friends?
The news doesn't tell us the reason. Is it because they feel senior?
Even they are seniors, they shouldn't be like that. They should set a good example for the juniors.
Right, I agree with your opinion. Maybe they don't think that way.
Then what is the condition of the bullying victim?
Oh my god, she had injuries on several parts of her body. I feel sad and upset reading this news.
I was also shocked when you told me.
Yeah, you should know. She was hit in several parts of his body.
Are they crazy to do that to the juniors? Do they feel great?
Maybe for them doing such an act will make them look cool.
Even though it makes them look stupid.
Yeah, I agree with what you say. You said.
So what is the school's response this case?
I read on the news that according to the regulation, bullies will be transferred.
Wow, the school's response was good. And it followed the rules.
Yeah, I agree. I think the school has a fairly high level of compliance.
I hope the victim gets better quickly, both physically and mentally.
Yeah, hopefully the bully victims can recover and continue their activities without fear.
I think education about bullying should be improved so that no one commits case like again.
Yeah, I agree with your opinion. I hope no one feels like that super seniors are superior and can bully juniors.
I hope there are no more bully cases anywhere.
Yeah, I agree.
Okay, alright. I'll be going since I have group work schedule.
Oh, okay. See you soon. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Have a nice day too.
I think you're so cute. I want you to come have a drink.
What is gerund? A gerund is a verb that functions as a noun. Gerunds are actually almost the same as the present participle form, but the difference is gerund is a noun, while present participle is an adjective. Gerund characteristic 1. The ing ending. Gerunds are always verbs that end in ing. 2. Role as a noun. Gerunds function as nouns in sentence. This means that a gerund can be the subject, object, or object of a preposition. As a subject, running is fun. As an object, I like swimming. As the object of a preposition, he is interested in learning. 3. Consistency of form. No matter the context, the form of the gerund remains the same and doesn't change depending on the subject or time. Gerund function 1. As a sentence subject. Example, jogging is good for your health. 2. As a verb object. Example, she enjoys reading. 3. As the object of a preposition. Example, they talk about moving to New York. 4. As a subject complement. Example, my favorite hobby is painting. 5. After a partial verb. Example, keep on running. 6. As an appositive. Example, one of his duties, teaching, takes up much of his time. 7. After a specific expression. Example, it's no use arguing with him. Gerund example. Some English verbs are generally followed by a gerund, which show the activity or action that is the object of the verb. 1. I enjoy swimming. 2. She avoids going to crowded place. 3. He considers moving to New York. 4. They finish painting the house. 5. She keeps talking about her vacation. 6. I miss seeing you around. Remember, not all English verbs can be followed by a gerund. While many verbs can be followed by a gerund, there are certain rules and predispositions that need to be understood. 1. Certain verbs usually follow by a gerund. Some verbs tend to be followed by a gerund such as enjoy, avoid, consider, finish, keep, and suggest. Example, I enjoy swimming. 2. She suggests going early. 2. Verbs that require an infinitive. There are also verbs that are usually followed by an infinitive form or 2 plus verb instead of a gerund. Examples of these verbs are hope, agree, decide, and plan. Example, I hope to travel next year. We agree to meet at noon. 3. Verbs that can be followed by both. Some verbs can be followed by either a gerund or an infinitive, but sometimes with a significant change in meaning. Examples of these verbs are stop, remember, forget, and try. Example, I stopped smoking. I stopped to smoke. 4. Verbs that are not commonly followed by objects. There are verbs that are not commonly followed by objects of any kind, such as exist, happen, or seems. Example, it seems unlikely. Gerund example. 1. My family go traveling every weekend. 2. Cooking is my favorite activity. 3. Cleaning becomes my mother's hobby now. 4. I have dancing class tonight. 5. I had writing.